The two rebellious ones, they're going to have detention in the paint party today. Look at them. Look. Oh, it's gone now. You better be glad. Look at They wanted to do their own thing, honey. And they didn't want to do what we're doing over here.
We're all right now.
Demetria, go ahead and show us the picture we're doing, and they didn't want to do what we was doing, Demetria. Hold up the picture, Demetria.
It's complete.
Demetrius, hold up the picture, the other picture. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty, Demetrius. That's what we're doing, and they didn't want to do that. They wanted to do this.
That fire got too high. Huh?
Exactly.
I'm just playing, no. It's a girls' night out, and we having a good time.
I'm just trying to.
Angie, she's trying to get it done.
All right, Diana, how many dots did you say? How many of them dots?
You should have been paying attention. Oh, that's pretty, Teresa. Y'all are so talented.
You didn't start
It's
with
a
that.
girls' night out with Sister F.A., Teresa, Demetria, Lauren,
Are my dots yellow?
Angie, Cherie.
The dots aren't supposed to be.
And what's your name again? You know, I can't never think of her name. Miss Veronica.
Veronica, what color your dots?
Yes, honey.
Red.
Your dots are red? Your leaves are red?
Look at my beautiful flowers that Daryl gave me today as my delivery. What a blessing.